Top 5 apps like Peddlecom review that actually work today. Peddlecom is popular for selling used cars, but most people get this wrong by assuming all online car selling apps offer fair pricing. The surprising truth is there are apps that provide instant quotes, verified buyers, and hassle-free sales. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Carvana offers online car selling with free pickup. Users love instant offers and transparent pricing. Second, Vroom provides easy online listings and quick cash offers. Customers highlight secure transactions and convenience. Third, CarMax, known for trusted appraisals and nationwide buying. Users report accurate offers and professional service. Fourth, Shift offers online car selling with at-home pickup. App users value verified buyers and smooth processes. Finally, Autogravity connects sellers with multiple dealers for competitive offers. Users appreciate fast quotes and verified sales. Pro tip: always compare offers, check app reviews, and understand the payment process before committing. This ensures a fair sale and smooth experience. These 5 apps make selling your car safe, fast, and stress-free.